If you're looking for part-time work-from-home opportunities that hire beginners, I have 5 companies that don't require any experience. The first company you can explore is Inbox Done, and they hire independent contractors for inbox management. In these positions, you'll act as a virtual assistant, offering email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistance, customer service, social media assistance, data entry, and research. For these positions, they require applicants to have excellent written and verbal communication skills. You'll need to maintain high levels of confidentiality, and you should have excellent organizational skills. The starting pay rate for this position is $17 per hour, and they offer paid holidays and unlimited retention and upgrade bonuses. Inbox Done gets a 4.9 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The second company to explore is ChatDesk. They hire freelance customer support agents to help companies provide customer service via social media, email, text, and chat. In these independent contracting positions, you can create your own schedule and work from anywhere. In these positions, you'll represent your favorite brands on social media, you'll respond timely and accurately to emails and social media messages, and you'll resolve customer requests and inquiries. No experience is needed, however, you will need your own computer and internet access, and you should have excellent communication skills. ChatDesk gets a 4.1 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The third company to explore is Working Solutions, and they hire customer service representatives in the United States and Canada. In these freelance positions, you can work 15 up to 40 hours per week, and you can create your own schedule. For these positions, you should have a sincere desire to help customers, you should be tech savvy, and you should have excellent communication skills. Working Solutions hires in all states except California, New York, Pennsylvania, and Washington. Contractors must also be able to pass a criminal background check. Working Solutions gets a 3.9 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fourth company you can explore is Data Annotation Tech. They hire independent contractors to help train AI tools. In these positions, you can work from anywhere, no experience is required, and you can have flexible hours. The pay rate for these positions is $20 per hour, and you must be located in the United States, Canada, the UK, Ireland, New Zealand, or Australia. You will be required to take 2 starter assessment tests before beginning work. Data Annotation Tech gets a 3.9 star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fifth and final company you can explore is Transcribe Me. They hire freelancers to transcribe short 2 to 4 minute audio clips. The starting pay rate for these positions is $15 to $22 per audio hour, with average monthly earnings being $250. No experience is needed. However, you will need your own computer and internet access, and you will need to pass a qualifying exam before starting work. Transcribe Me gets a 4-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. For more work-from-home jobs that are perfect for beginners, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.